Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Tim Hortons app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Tim Hortons app. So if it's not working, you have to follow the simple method. Just press and hold to the here. Then here you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info. So after here, you have to scroll down and just click on the storage. Then here you have to click on the clear data. Just delete it. Then here you have to open the Tim Hortons again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So checking for an update is easy. You can directly go to Google and search for here as Tim Hortons. Okay, Tim Hortons app, and then here you can just click on here. Then you can click on the update button and update it and use it. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.